Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to remove audio from a video file in macOS using Swift. So first of all I will show you the demo. So here I have one video player, it is not playing any video, and here I have one play button as well as save video. If I click on play video, it first opens your video picker. Then as you can see inside my downloads folder I only have one video. I'll select that. Now once I select it, what it does is that firstly it doesn't start playing the video. It first removes the audio from the video which you have selected. Now as you can see, this video file which I have selected was quite large, that's why it took a little bit of time, and now it is started playing the video. But as you can see, you are not able to hear the audio because I have removed the audio from this particular video file. So that's what the intention of this particular thing is. And also if you see over here, I only have one video inside my downloads directory, and if I click on save, here you can see a new video file was saved. So this new video file is of video file without any audio. So let's see how to do this. So first, as usual, I have created a native macOS application using Swift. I'm using storyboard, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. I'm not really using storyboard, everything is done programmatically, but I have selected the storyboard template. First you will have to go to sign in and capabilities, and inside user selected file this should be read only, and inside downloads folder this should be read/write. Then inside your view controller, firstly import AV kit. Then I have created one AV player view and two buttons and one variable to hold the transformed video URL, which is the final URL. Then we are initializing our AV player view. Then our button, I have added one click listener as well. Same for save video as well, I have added one click listener. Then we are assigning some NS layout constraints to our player view, play button as well as save button. And once I'll come back to this save video code later on, but once you click on play video, first we are opening NS open panel. So here we are only filtering by videos, multiple selection is false, and once the user picks a video we get the URL over here. We send that URL to our transformed method, and it removes the audio from your video file and gives us the updated URL. Then once we get the updated URL, we start playing it inside our AV player. So if you see the transformed video code, we are first using file manager, then we are creating an AVMutableComposition and an AV URL asset. Then we are creating a composition video track. So here you can see we are taking only video. Then an asset or a source video track, we are taking only video. Then we are taking the entire duration of the video, creating a time range out of it, inserting that particular time range, creating an export path as well as an export URL. And if the file already exists, we remove that particular file. Then we create an AV asset export session, and if then we assign the export URL to our output URL. We assign the output file type as MOV. Then we export it, and then we get the export output URL, and we assign it to our final URL and return that final URL. So if you come to the save video code, firstly we are getting access to our downloads directory, and if final URL is proper, then we create a destination URL by getting the last path component from our final URL. If file does not exist, then we return, otherwise we continue, and if file already exists with the same name, we remove that. Then we move our file which is at final URL to our destination URL, which is the downloads directory. So that's how our file is saved. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.